guys, what's up? Welcome back to another reaction. Today we're gonna check out another song by Jubin Nauthier. It's the song To Aa Gaye Hum, and Mithun composed it, so I'm really looking forward to this because Mithun really composes the most beautiful songs. So I expect another really beautiful song. I hope I won't be disappointed, but I think I won't. So guys, let's watch. Wow.
इस रूम से पूरा लेक दिखाई देता है साहब। और हाँ, आपसे पहले जो लड़का था वो भी सिंगर था, बहुत अच्छा गाता था। कुछ चाहिए तो बताइएगा खम्मगढ़ी साहब।
Did you hear that?
तू ही जहन में शाम सवेरे, तेरी ही लब पे बात है। नाइस।
Look at this.
तू ही जहन में शाम सवेरे, तेरी ही लब पे बात है।
Wow. Already sounds so beautiful. I think I know her. Isn't she from Tesh?
तुझसे मिला हूँ मैं जिस जगह पे, अब वो जगह भी खास है। उसकी तरफ ही ले जाते हैं मुझको ये मेरे कदम। तो आ गए हम, तो आ गए।
Excuse me.
तो आ गए हम।
Oh my god, how tall is he?
तो आ गए हम।
Oh, she's just too small.
आ गए हम, तो आ गए।
Oh my god.
सनम मुझे वहाँ तू मिल जाए, तू मिल जाए मेरे हमदम। तो आ गए हम, तो आ गए हम, तो आ गए हम सनम।
Oh my god, his vocals.
उफ तेरी क्या बात है तुझ पे।
Oh, he's looking at her. Guys, look at this.
मैं किसी को देता नहीं बाखुदा।
By the way, I love the hair color.
तुझसे ही मिलने को चाहे दिल ये मेरा हरदम। तो आ गए हम, तो आ गए हम, तो आ गए हम।
This is just the cutest. Whoever thought of this?
तो
Oh no, he was just dreaming.
तो आ गए हम, तो आ गए हम।
Oh, did you see his face? He's so adorable.
खुशी?
यस मिथुन सर, आप यहाँ कैसे?
ये जुबिन की डायरी है जो मेरे रूम पे रह गई थी।
कौन जुबिन? मैं उन्हें नहीं जानती।
What? Excuse me, why don't you know him?
नहीं चाहिए, शायद ये आपको जानती है। प्लीज जरूर पढ़िएगा।
Oh my god.
के भी ना मिले कोई भी तेरी तरह, फिर मैं क्यों
Oh my god, I love the idea of this. This is too cute.
वक्त अपना
Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. And the mirror.
तेरे संग ही मैं गुजारूं जीने के हर मौसम। तो आ गए हम, तो आ गए हम,
Pause.
तो आ गए हम
Oh, he's getting these two together. I can't. Oh my god. It's giving me Kabir Singh vibes. God, look at this place. It's mesmerizing.
किसी को प्यार किसी से हो एक तरफा सही उन्हें जहां में मिला देता है कोई ना कोई.
Oh my god, this is pure poetry. Guys, what a beautiful song. I can't. In this music video, the idea, I can't stop smiling. This is the cutest. And finally, Jobin got his love, okay? Like, just in his recent videos for T-Series, he never got the girl. His heart was always broken, and right now, this is really warming my heart to see this. It is so cute, this music video. I can't. And this idea that she never really, saw him, kind of, and he was always admiring her from afar. He was writing it all down in his diary, and then Mithun kind of found this diary and brought these two together, and it also kind of connects to the song because he composed the song, Jobin sings it, and the song, I'd say, also brings all the loves together, you know? I don't know if it's just me who's thinking of this idea, but I just think it is, wow, this song is absolutely beautiful. I love the music. Jobin, let's not talk about his voice. He always sings the song perfectly. I can't. Then also the girl in this, she's so pretty. I think she's the one from the movie Tesh. I know there's also a web series for this movie. And by the way, if you didn't watch this movie, please do. It is awesome, that movie. Without telling you anything about it, please watch it if you didn't. Okay, it has some kind of graphic scenes, so if you can't see these kind of things, if you're a more sensitive person, then don't watch it. But otherwise, please do. It is absolutely awesome, that movie. So guys, please let me know your opinion about the song in the comments. So let's take a quick look into the comment section here. Yes, I'm not the only one who thought of this. After all his songs, he finally got his love. Really, guys, finally. Congrats, Jobin. Exactly, they should write the name of the location where the shooting took place in the credits. Exactly, guys. This was absolutely beautiful, this place. I also really loved how they filmed this. Okay, this is true. This is true. Another great song from Jobin Nauthier. He is so tall, the girl has to jump to reach a phone. Too cute. Yes, I suppose this scene can't be done with the other singers who aren't as tall. Okay, true, true. So really all the love goes out to Jobin for his amazing voice, and also to Mithun who composed this. This is an absolutely beautiful song. Then also to the girl in here, Sanjida. She is also absolutely beautiful, and I loved her acting in this and in the movie Tesh, so watch it if you didn't already. To everyone else who worked on this, I mean also the camera work, we always need to appreciate the camera work. In here, this also looks absolutely beautiful. Whoever captures these kind of moments, the director of this song, so really everyone who worked on this. So please guys, don't forget to tell me your opinion about the song in the comments. I always love to read your comments. And that's enough for this reaction. I really hope you liked it. So if you're new to my channel, and check out my other reactions. I mostly do Bollywood reactions because Bollywood is my life. Then if you haven't done it yet, then please follow me on Instagram. I post everything Bollywood related there. And you can also find reactions on Instagram TV that you can't see on YouTube. And please check out my Bollywood talk videos and my Bollywood edits. I put so much butt and sweat into these videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ring the bell so you don't miss anything in the future. Just if you want, of course. I'm not forcing anyone. And that's it. Hope to see you guys in another reaction again. Bye.
Thank you.